Yeah. Hi! Okay, we enter the second door. What's that sound? Peacock? Ah, very nice. Very nice. See?
Nothing inside.
Fish.
Oh, see,
There's a fish.
I saw. Yeah, I can pick up. I can pick up. Man, pick up.
Oh yeah. There's a peacock.
Ah. But this animal own arms now.
They crying?
Hey, this one so big.
Huh? Ay!
I thought it's a statue.
Statue! And there's a small there.
The tree. Come here, stand near the tree.
Oh my god! It's real.
Stand, stand, stand. Stand.
It's a big bird. What is this? It's a big bird. And there's a peacock there. There.
You see, like that. Do like that. Okay. You see like that. You do like that, okay? One, two, three.